Hello everyone, my name is Nguyễn Hiếu from National University of Civil Engineering. Today I have the honor to be here to share with you some interesting results about using neural network as surrogate model in differential evolution optimization of just structure. This is the outline of my presentation. First of all, I would like to introduce the reason and the purpose of the research. In the second, the background theory about research is briefly presented. The proper approach is introduced in the third part. The results of the proper approach on two benchmark problems are presented in the fourth part. Finally, some conclusions are pointed out before terminating the presentation. So now, let's start. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Nguyễn Hiếu. Currently, I'm PhD student of National University of Civil Engineering in Vietnam. My research focuses on the application of the evolutionary algorithm and machine learning for optimizing steel structure. So, the conventional process of the structure design is a trial and error method where the results strongly depend on the designer experience. In order to help a designer find the best choice, another approach called optimization-based design method was invented and has been constantly developed. Many evolutionary algorithms has been proposed and successfully applied to solve structure optimization process to solve structure optimization problem. The typical flowchart of evolutionary algorithm is shown in figure 1. However, the structure optimization problem are classified into the constraint type, in which the candidate must be satisfy some structure condition. The constraint must be checked with the support of the finite element method. This is the most time-consuming task in the optimization process. For example, the optimum design of a bridge consumes about 133 hours with 8,000 times of finite element analysis. An effective solution to deal with this problem is using machine learning for approximately predicting the behavior of structure instead of exactly structure analysis. By this way, the optimization time can be reduced. So the question here is, which algorithm is suitable? Among the evolutionary algorithm, differential evolution is preferred because of its advantage. On the other hand, while many machine learning algorithms exist, the capability of the neural network has been proved. Because of above reason, we decide to combine differential evolution and neural network in our work. So, what is differential evolution? The differential evolution algorithm is known as one of the most powerful evolutionary algorithms. It is designed based on the nature selection mechanism with four basic steps including initialization, mutation, crossover, and selection. The first step is performed once at the beginning of the optimization process, while three remaining steps are repeated sequentially until the preassigned number of generations is reached. An example of differential evolution is shown in figure 4. So the procedure of differential evolution optimization is present in figure 1. As you can see, every candidate produced during the optimization process must be evaluated as a design constraint using finite element analysis. Consequently, the total number of structure analyses is too large, leading to time consuming. The second algorithm we use in this study is neural network. While many architecture of neural network has been developed, we use the feed-forward neural network, which is commonly used in the structural engineering field. It is designed based on the structure of human brain, which contain many neurons organized into multiple layers, including the input layer, hidden layers, and output layers. The output from previous neuron becomes the input of the current neuron. After scaling with the corresponding weight, all input are summed up and then transformed by the activation function illustrated in figure 6b. Neural network has been shown to be able to capture the behavior of structure. So our proposal here, namely neural network-based differential evolution, called NNDE, is introduced in figure 8. In detail, there are three phases including sampling, modeling, and optimization. First of all, some samples are generated using Latin hypercup sampling. All samples are then analyzed using finite element method. The second phase focuses on constructing accurate neural network model. After selecting the suitable architecture, the model are trained with the dataset obtained from the sampling phase. The neural network model that are already trained will be used to evaluate the design constraint in the optimization phase. Two well-known benchmark problems are optimized using the proposed approach to demonstrate its effectiveness, including a cantilever 10 patches and a spatial uh, uh, and a spatial 12 patches with some mechanical property as shown in the slide. In both problems, 1,000 sample points are initially produced by Latin hypercup sampling. Input of each sample point is a vector representing the cross-sectional area of just member. Once the input data are generated, the outputs are determined based on finite element analysis. The obtained results are the internal stress and the displacement of nodes. In the modeling phase, two surrogate models are developed. The first model, named model S, will be used to predict the stress inside the member, while the second model, namely model U, will be used to predict the displacement of the free nodes. Prelude is used as an activation function in this work, and the load function is mean absolution error. A load curve during the training process are plotted in figure 10, and you can see in this slide. So the trained model are then employed to predict the stress and the displacement during the optimization process. The typical conversion history of the optimization process of the proposed approach is plotted in figure 11. The results obtained from the proposed approach are shown in comparison with the conventional differential evolution and other algorithms from uh, literature. Table 1 presents the optimal result for the 10-bar just problem, and table 4 presents the result for the 25-bar just problem. Additionally, The comparison of the performance between the conventional differential evolution and the neural network-based differential evolution is introduced in Table 5. Based on the obtained results, some conclusions can be pointed out as follows. First of all, it can be noted that the differential evolution algorithm is capable of finding the global optimal point. The conventional differential evolution achieves the same result in comparison with other algorithms like genetic algorithm, particle swarm optimization, and harmony search. Minor difference in result obtained from different algorithms due to the use of different finite element analysis code. Secondly, the computation time of the neural network-based differential evolution is very small compared with the conventional differential evolution. In detail, the NNDE is approximately 5 times faster than DE. It is achieved by a significant reduce in the number of finite element analyses. Furthermore, the error of the optimum weight between DE and NNDE for two problems are very small. The reason for the error is the inaccuracy of the predictive model. However, the coefficient of determination between the cross-sectional area found by DE and NNDE for 10 batches and 25 batches are 0.98 and 0.79 respectively. It indicates that a good similarity between the result of the DE and NNDE approach. Finally, it can be concluded that using neural network is a good way to reduce the computation cost of the evolutionary optimization. So this is a short presentation of our book related to structural optimization using differential evolution and neural network. Thank you for your attention.